Do you ever wake up and thank God for your blessings? Do you ever wake up and wonder why you're stressing? Why these people always fighting? Bitches always crying. I don't feel like me no more. I feel like I'm just dying. I never give up trying. Bitch, I'm always fighting. Make sure when you wake up, thank God for all your blessings. Thank God for all your blessings. And I won't change, I still wanna be the illest. At 15, we wanted to be some stars. At 13, we was looking at the stars. We never kick it no more cause you're far. People change on me like they want war. I do this rap shit when I'm bored. People can't keep their promise. Snakes all in the garden. My all black Timberland boots look like I went hunting. Why you talking for nothing? Nowadays people ain't the same. This shit is not fair. I already know nobody care. Yeah. Hop out and start flexing, counting my blessings. Fuck all the extras. I want a big mansion with a pool in the back. Want a big dog, want a big ass house. Wanna be flexing, ain't got time for stressing. That's why I asked you that in the first beginning. Do you ever wake up and thank God for your blessings? Do you ever wake up